pupils, parents, and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to bridge the learning loss during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
Hey, W, E, S, O, M, E, you are awesome, awesome, totally. For the best reasons, we know and we believe in awesome pupils like you. And so this program tagged The Classroom in Your Home has been specially designed for you. Remember that our sponsor, Universal Basic Education Commission, UBEC, packaged by Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LASUBEB, have never thought of leaving a single child behind. Well, it's our revision week in our lower primary edition, and myself and my colleagues are here to revise the previous lessons with you. On my side here, I have Auntie Tinu.
Hello, amazing pupils. I am Auntie Tinu, your mathematics teacher.
Right, and also I have Uncle Sheyi.
Hello, pupils. I am Uncle Sheyi, and I'll be revising general studies with you today.
Right, and myself, I am English teacher, Auntie Lola, and I'll be taking you through English, which I call communication class for the revision today. And in trial, we bring you the classroom in your home. Please relax, grab your book, and let's revise. Do you know that our biggest weakness is giving up? But then, there is a certain way to succeed, which is trying, giving it one more trial. And since it's our revision week, I'm so sure that giving up on trying to find answers to the questions coming up will never be an option. You agree, right? I believe also. You're welcome to English Studies class, which we call communication class. And since it's our revision week, we'll be looking at some questions on the things we've been taught in the past. And so for a start, let us look at our learning objective for today. That by the end of the lesson, you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. Are you ready? Okay, let's move to the first question for today. Dash refers to ownership, that is, something belonging to something or somebody. Okay, what is the definition that refers to ownership? Is it possessive pronoun, personal pronoun, people pronoun, power pronoun? What is your answer? Okay, are you correct? It is possessive pronoun. Okay, we move to the second one. You're told to pick out the possessive pronoun in the following sentence. Okay, in the sentence here, the bag is yours. What is the possessive pronoun in that sentence? I have the bag is yours. What is your answer? I'm sure you've picked your answer by now, and the answer is yours. Yours is the possessive pronoun. Okay, we move. Pick out the possessive pronoun in the following sentence. Okay, the box is hers. The box is ours. Okay, the option, they, box is, has. What is your answer? Okay, Auntie Lola, I chose. Oh, I'm correct. It is as. Good job, you. If your answer is correct. But if not, don't worry. We still have lots more to do. Okay, to the next one. Pick out the possessive pronoun in the following sentence. The pen is mine. The possessive pronoun, is it the? Is it pen? Is it his? Is it mine? What is your answer? Did you choose mine? Of course, that is the possessive pronoun in that sentence. Okay, to the next one. Dash are used instead of a noun. Okay, what is used instead of a noun? Adjective. Can it be adjective? Okay, other options. Pronouns, nouns, verbs. I remember the day you were teaching us this lesson, Auntie Lola, and I'm sure the answer is pronouns. Beautiful. I'm sure you got that correctly. I'm proud of you. Okay, we move, right? Okay. Shade kept the money in her pocket. For the options, I have she kept it in her pocket. Shade kept it in her pocket. Shade kept the money. Okay, she kept her pocket. Okay, your answer should be up by now, and the answer is what? It's A. She kept it in her pocket. Did you notice the things we changed in that sentence? Okay, you recall that we said pronouns are used to replace what? Beautiful, to replace nouns. And so the nouns in the question, in the sentence, is what? Shade, and also we have money. And of course, that is what we changed in the answer. We changed Shade to she, and we changed money to what? To it. Makes it Shade kept it in her pocket. It sure makes sense. You will agree with me, right? Beautiful. And so we move to the next one. Also, you have to rewrite the following using pronouns where necessary. And so Mayowa and Folu went to the zoo. So what are we replacing with pronoun in that sentence? Okay, for the options, let me read it out to you. She and I went to the zoo. I don't know if that's the answer. Her and she went to the zoo. See, they went to the zoo. And the last one, them went to the zoo. That last option sure looks funny, right? Okay, so I'm sure you've chosen your answer. And your answer, I'm sure, will be they went to the zoo. Mayowa and Folu are the nouns there, right? And of course, we are replacing both names with a pronoun, which is what? Which is they. They went to the zoo. Okay, are we together? Sure we are. And Yamsi is nice. Yamsi is nice. How do we rewrite that using pronouns? A, she is nice. She nice. Yamsi, she nice. Or they are nice. Which of those options sure goes with what we are looking for? We said Yamsi is nice, and so the noun there is Yamsi, and Yamsi will be what? She. She is nice. She is nice. I'm sure you chose that as your answer, right? Beautiful. And I'm also sure you are not giving up yet, because we are not through. The next on the board is what? Let's read this together. When introducing yourself, you start with your dash. Okay, it was a composition lesson the particular day we were treating this this particular topic, and I said for the first thing you would say when introducing yourself to someone is what? For the option, age, gender, name, family. What is the answer? When introducing yourself, the first thing is your name. C is the answer. You mention your name first. My name is Lola. What about you? And it goes on from there. Okay, and the next on the board, dash is used for actions that had already happened. Action that had already happened. You did last week, you did yesterday, you did a minute ago. What is that action called? A, present tense. 2, past tense. Future tense. Previous tense. What is the tense? I'm sure you've chosen your answer. So let's look at the answer here. Past tense. Past tense is used for actions that had already happened. And when you're relating that action, of course, you would relate it in form of past tense. Beautiful. And so to the next on the board. What is the past tense form of the word stay? An action that had already happened. Now you're using stay in form of past tense. How do we write it? Let's look at the options so you can choose your answer correctly. A, stay. B, stays. C, staying. And D, stayed. What is your answer? I'm sure you've chosen yours by now. And of course, the answer is stayed. Stayed. Addition of ed. You recall I mentioned some rules guiding past tense. Some you add ed to the word. It doesn't really change that much. And some you just stay like that. It doesn't change. And some you would have to change it totally. But in this context of stay, you're adding ed to it and makes it stayed. Okay. To the next one. What is the past tense form of the word try? Of the word try, what is the past tense? A, I have try. B, tried. C, trying. And D, tried. What do you think the answer will be? Okay, I'm sure you've chosen your answer by now. And so the answer is try. This is another rule. Any word, most of the word that ends with Y. Of course, the Y will change to I. You recall that lesson, right? Good. The Y will change to I and you add ed to it. And of course, you get tried. That is one of the tricks to past tense. To the next one. What is the past tense form of the word fry? Fry also ends in Y. So let me see if you get this correctly. I'm sure you will anyway. A, fry. B, fried. C, fray. And D, fried. Okay, for your answer, I'm sure you've chosen yours. And I'm sure you chose this answer. Yes, I know. And I'm so proud of you because you are awesome pupils. Why we change to high and addition of ed? Simple, right? The rule to past tense and the trick to it. Okay, this is another one here. Dash is used when an action takes place in the future. In the future, something that had not happened. What is that tense called? Something that had not happened, but it will happen later on. It could happen tomorrow, it can happen next year, whichever time. So far, it is not in the present. A, I have present tense, past tense, future tense, and previous tense. What is your answer? I'm sure you have chosen yours. And the answer is future tense. Future tense is used when an action takes place in the future. Of course, it's not in the present and not in the past, but about to happen. About to happen. Okay. We've been able to look at few words, few questions, and how we can get correct answers to them. And of course, with this question that we've just treated, you must have recalled a lot of things. Yeah, a lot of lessons we've treated in the past. And that is how much we can take for today. Till next lesson, where we'll be looking at more examples, more questions. Do not forget that reading and learning is sure fun, and we will always be proud of you no matter what. Till I come your way next lesson, please stay safe and be good. Well, it is time for our mathematics time with Auntie Tino. See you.
Welcome to our revision mathematics class. When I say mathematics time, you say fun time. Mathematics time, fun time. And like always, today's revision promises to be fun. But I need your 100% attention. Yes, I am Auntie Tinu, and now we'll be teaching revision of previous lessons. We will be revising our previous lessons today. All the topics we have done from the start of this program, we will be revising them today. So please be attentive. Get your exercise book, your pencils, your biro, and let's revise together. Yes. What is our objective for this learning? What is the purpose of today's lesson? By the end of the lesson today, you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. You should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. Let's begin. Are you ready? Because I am ready here. Are you ready? Yes, let's begin. Add 2, 25 and 21 under tens and units. Add 25 and 21 under tens and units. Yes, tens, units. 25, 5 under units, 2 under tens. 1 under units, 2 under tens. The sign you are working with, very important. So let's add together. 5 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So add 25 and 21 under tens and units. What is our answer? 46. Did you get 46 too? Good job, you. Yes. Add 37 and 26 under tens and units. Tens, units. 7 under units. 3 under tens. 2 under units. 6 under units, sorry. 2 under tens. You put your addition sign. Very important. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Now we are having 2 digits number. What do? We write down 3 and we group 1. So we count 1, the one we regrouped, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 gives us 6. Yes. And 37 plus 26 gives us 63. Did you get 63 too? Good job, you. Subtract 28 from 59. 28, 59. Which number is bigger? Yes, 59. And you write 59 first. 9 under unit. 5 under tens, 8 under units, 2 under tens. Put your subtraction sign, very important. Let's count 9 and take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, what number is left? 1. We have only one number left. 9 take away 8 is 1. 5 take away 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Let's count the remaining numbers. 1, 2, 3. So 5 take away 2 is 3. 59 take away 28 is 31. 31. Yes. 57. Subtract 57 from 74. Tens, units. 4, 7. Remember, 74 is bigger than 57. 7, 5. 4. From 4, can we take away 7? It's impossible. So we go to Mr. 7. Mr. 7, can I get 1? He says, yes, I have SS. And he gives us 1. 7 is left with 6. And the 1 comes here to become 14. 14 take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we take away 7 from 14, we are left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 take away 7 is 7. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, we borrowed 1 from 6, from 7 to give us 6. That's why we have 6. Let's take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are left with 1. 74 take away 57 is 17. Yes. Multiply 7 by 4. Let's count 7 in 4 places. Let's count 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4. Now let's count everything together. 7 multiplied by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 7 multiplied by 4 is 28. Remember, repeated addition. Repeated addition. How many 50 naira do we have in 200 naira? 200 naira divided by 50. So 0 cancels 0. 5 here 1. 5 in 20. Let's count 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see how many 5s we can get in 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. So how many times will 5 divide 20? 4 times. So how many 50 naira do we have in 200 naira? That is 4. Are we together? Say, together we are. Good job, you. Fill in the blank space with the correct naira and kobo value. Yes, 85 naira dot 20 kobo. How do we do it? Yes, we write 85 under naira and 20 under kobo. Remember, the dot or the point has separated naira from kobo. So what is our answer? 85 naira 20 kobo. 85 naira 20 kobo. What time is it? What time is it? Remember, the long hand, once it points to 12, it's showing hour. And once the short hand points to 8, you call it against that number. So now our long hand is pointing to 12, and our short hand is pointing to 8. Once the short hand points to any number, you call it against that number. So now we have 8 o'clock. Long hand is on 12 and the short hand is on 8. So it's 8 o'clock. Let's continue. What time is it? The long hand is on 6 and the short hand points in between 10 and 11. What time is it? Good job, you. I know you are smart pupils. Yes, when the long hand points to 6 and the short hand is in between 2 numbers, you call it 30 or half past the smaller number. You call it 30 or half past the smaller number. So what time is it? It's 10:30. 10 is smaller than 11. So we call it 10:30 or half past 10. So if you wrote half past 10 down, you are equally correct. So let's move on. Yes. Write out the days of the week that starts with letter T. Remember, there are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Which days of the week starts with letter T? That is Tuesday and Thursday. Did you get Tuesday and Thursday? Good job, you. Yes. February has dash days in a leap year. 30 days are September, April, June, and November. All the rest are 31 except February only. It has 28 days and 29 in a leap year. Wow, yes, February has 29 days and I know you got it. Good job, you. Dash and dash are examples of tools used to measure length. Ruler and pencil, metal tape and ruler, pen and blade, measuring scale and beaker. And the answer is metal tape and ruler. Yes, smart you. Good job, you. Yes, dash is used in cold room to sell fish and chicken. I remember telling you to follow mommy to a cold room when I was teaching weight or mass. Yes, so what is that thing they use to measure chicken and fish in a cold room? It's called scale. Yes, it's called scale. Good job, you. 500 grams equals dash kilogram. Remember when we were talking, when I was teaching you weight and mass, I told you that 1,000 grams equals 1 kg. Yes, 500 grams equals dash kg and 250 grams equals dash kg. I said it. I gave you up to 125 grams. So let's see. 500 grams equals half kg. Yes, half kg. Did you get half kg with me? Good job, you. So 250 grams will equal 1/4 kg and 125 grams equals 1/8 kg. Are we together? Say, together we are. Bigger objects like cars are measured in, I just told you the answer. Bigger objects like cars that need heavier lorries and containers to pull them out of the road. What do we measure them in? We measure them in kilograms. Yes, we measure them in kilograms. Remember, grams are used to measure smaller objects that you and I can carry, or you might not be able to carry it, but not very heavy. Liters is used to measure liquids, and meters are used to measure distances. I taught you everything. Yes. Before I go, let's celebrate our active participation in today's class with yes, with the love chair. You know I love you, so let's do the love chair together. To you, to me. That is for our active participation in today's revision. And that's it for today. Yes, but don't forget, next lesson we will continue with our revision. So please don't go and play. Make sure you sit and revise every other topic we have not touched today, so that next lesson we can perform and work it out together. Don't go away yet, because Uncle Sheyi is coming for another amazing time in General Studies class. From me to you, it's bye-bye.
Hello pupils, you're welcome to another exciting segment of the program, the classroom in your home. And this is general studies class, but today we will be having our revision. So I will be revising all the previous lessons that you've been taught on this particular segment of the program. I am Uncle Sheyi, your teacher. Alright, so pick your pen, pick your book, and number them from 1 to 20. All right, do that fast, and by the end of the lesson you should be able to recall concepts taught in previous lessons. All right, so you should be able to recall all the things that you've been taught in our previous lessons. Have you numbered your book from 1 to 20? All right, let's go. Your first question: the Nigeria Police Force was established in the year dash. The Nigeria Police Force was established in the year dash. Is it 1939, 1930, 1867, or 1834? Please put that in number 1 and write the answer. Have you done that? Okay, 1867. If you chose 1867, it was actually wrong. It is 1930. The Nigeria Police Force was established in 1930. All right, so the next question: dash is a sleep disorder in which one has a problem of falling asleep or staying asleep. Dash is a sleep disorder in which one has a problem of falling asleep or staying asleep. So what is that disorder called? Insomnia, leukemia, malaria, or sleeplessness? What is the answer to that? I want you to write that down. Write your answer down. Number 2. Have you done that? Okay, the correct answer is insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder where you find it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep. All right? So the next question: dash is not a security agency in Nigeria. Dash is not a security agency in Nigeria. Is it the NPF, Nigeria Police Force? Is it the SSS, State Security Service? Or is it the NSCDC, Nigeria Security Civil Defense Corps, Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps, or CNN, Cable News Network? Which one is the correct answer? Which one is not a security agency in Nigeria amongst this option? Have you written your answer? Number 3. Okay. The odd one out there is CNN. CNN is not a security agency in Nigeria. Actually, CNN is a news network. It's a foreign news station. All right. To the next question: dash is a good example of objects that can float on water. This is a very simple question. In fact, I don't even feel like reading the options to you, but let me read it. Is it stone? Can stone float on water? Can feather float on water? Can metal spoon float on water? Can rock float on water? It's very simple. Feather is a good example of an object that can float on water. Animals that live in our homes are called dash. Animals that live in our homes are called dash. Are they called farm animals, friends, pets, or dogs? Please write down your answer. They are called pets. Pets are those animals that live in our homes. Okay? Another name for pets is dash. Another name that we call a pet is it house animals, home animals, great animals, or men animals? Can you put your answer down quickly? All right, they are called home animals. Pets are called home animals. To the next question: who is the first governor of Lagos State? The first governor of Lagos State. I remember I told you that he is a military man, a brigadier. Okay, so what's his name? Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Babatunde Raji Fashola, Mobolaji Johnson, or Akinwumi Ambode? Put down your answer very fast, quickly. All right, and our answer is Mobolaji Johnson, Brigadier Mobolaji Johnson. Okay, who is the Sultana of Sokoto? Who is the Sultana of Sokoto? Is it Tafawa Balewa? Is it Muhammadu Buhari? Is it Bukola Saraki or Sir Ahmadu Bello? Put down your answer. Okay, have you done that? All right. So the Sultana of Sokoto is Sir Ahmadu Bello. I remember I told you that you can find this picture on the Nigerian 200 Naira notes. Okay. So the next question. These are Lagos State emergency numbers, except, so which number here is not an emergency number that you can call in Lagos State? Is it 767? Is it 222? Is it 112? Or is it 199? Put down your answer very fast. Alright? So which one is not a Lagos State emergency number? I think the answer is 222. Yes, 222. 222 is not an emergency number in Lagos State. Alright? So the next question, Dash is the title of a traditional leader in the north. Dash is the title of a traditional leader in the north. Emir, Oba, Obi, Baale. So which amongst these options is the title of a traditional leader in the north? And your guess is good as mine. Emir. Emir is the title of a traditional leader in the northern part of Nigeria. To the next question, a police officer puts on a pair of black trousers and a dash top. A police officer puts on a pair of black trousers and a dash top. So what's the color of the top of a police officer? Is it sky blue? Is it navy blue? Is it red top? Or is it green top? Quickly put down your answer. Okay. Sky blue. So a police officer in Nigeria puts on a pair of black trousers and a sky blue top. On to the next question. Dash is not a type of work people do in ancient times. Dash is not a type of work that is done by people in Nigeria in ancient times. Is it weaving? Is it farming? Is it nursing? Or drumming? Quickly put down your answer. The answer is nursing. Nursing. Nursing is not the type of work people do in ancient times. Alright? Let's go on to the next question. Dash is the first treatment given to a sick or injured person. Dash is the first treatment given to a sick or injured person. Is it first aid? Is it first loss? Is it second help? Or last aid? Put down your answer. And I know you will get this one correctly because the answer is first aid. Good job, you. So the next question. All accidents are avoidable. Can we avoid all accidents? Is it true? Or is it a false statement? True. Yes. All accidents can be avoided. Alright, we move to the next question. The current Inspector General of Police is Dash. So who is the current Inspector General of Police? Is it Tunde Bakari? Is it Muhammad Adamu? Is it Abubakar Shekarau or Peter Obi? Please put down your answer quickly. Alright, so the current Inspector General of Police is Tunde Bakari. Wrong. Muhammad Adamu. If you chose Tunde Bakari, you are wrong. The correct answer is Muhammad Adamu. On to the next question. Dash is odorless, colorless, and tasteless liquid that we need every day. So what is that liquid that is odorless, colorless, and tasteless? Tasteless that we need every day. Is it chemicals? Is it liquid drugs? Is it beverage or water? Our answer is water. We need water for our survival every day. Okay? So the next question, we can preserve water by the following except dash. You can preserve water by doing the following except dash. By boiling, by filtering, by mixing, or by covering. So how can we preserve water? Put down your answer. All right, so we can preserve water by the following except mixing. Yes, you cannot preserve water by mixing water. No, you cannot preserve water by mixing water. So the next question, we can purify water by dash. How can we purify water? Is it by baking? Is it by filtering? Is it by mixing or by covering? Please put down your answer fast. Okay? We can purify water by filtering. By filtering. All right, let's move on to the next question. Soil is made up of the following except dead animals, air, plastics, dead plants. So which among these options is wrong? Which among them is not a component of a soil or of the soil? Have you written down your answer? All right, plastics. Plastics are not part of a soil, okay? Plastic is the wrong one. Let's go to the next question. The best soil for planting is dash. The best soil for planting is dash. Is it sandy soil? Is it loamy? Is it clay? Or is it rock? Have you written down your answer? All right. So the best soil for planting is loamy soil. Now to our last question for today's revision. The first military head of state in Nigeria is dash. Who is the first military head of state in Nigeria? Is it Nnamdi Azikiwe? Is it Aguiyi Ironsi? Is it Tafawa Balewa? Or is it Shehu Shagari? Please write down your answer quickly. Okay, the correct answer is General Aguiyi Ironsi. He is the first military head of state in Nigeria. Okay? All right, and that is it for today. Remember, we'll still be having revision in our next class. Okay? So all the parts of our lessons that we are not able to cover today, we will be covering that in our next revision. Did you enjoy yourself? Yes, I enjoyed myself too. I had a great time with you. Until next time that I will be meeting with you again, Uncle Sheyi says, be good. Bye.
Dear pupils, parents and guardians, let me start by thanking you for being a part of all our remote learning platforms, particularly our television program, The Classroom in Your Home. Each feedback has been awesome. Good job, you. Our teachers have been working assiduously to bridge the learning loss during this critical period. Therefore, I am pleased to inform you that the Classroom in Your Home has been extended to accommodate the lower primary classes and a dedicated lesson to cater for our special needs pupils in line with our mandate of providing an all-inclusive and quality basic education in our dear state. Please encourage your wards to tune in and take every advantage of this laudable program. Also remember, this pandemic is not over. Let us continue to abide by all health and safety guidelines as stipulated by the government. At LASUBEB, we are determined to leave no child behind in our quest to improve the standard of basic education in our state. Thank you.
I am so excited.
Yeah.
You know why? Yes, it's been an amazing almost 12 weeks of learning on this amazing TV program for you guys. Uncle Sheyi, what has been your experience so far?
Yeah, it's been fantastic hanging out with the most brilliant set of pupils, I must tell you. Their feedbacks has been awesome. And also their comments, questions, and their prompt submission of their homework is commendable.
Nice.
I look forward to having more fun with them. Auntie Lola?
Yes, well, some of our pupils were not able to watch some of our programs.
True.
But don't worry, do you know that on Lagos Facebook page, Lagos Suburb Facebook page, I repeat, Lagos Suburb Facebook page, you can watch the program being aired. In fact, at the same time, it's being aired on the TV.
Yes. You will notice that we did not give you any homework today. Yes, we know. It's because it's our revision week. But don't worry, you can still send in your question and comments. And if you find any of our revision topics difficult, you can send it in and we will relate the way we relate normally. The number is 081 50865663. Remember, SMS and WhatsApp messages only. Do not call. Yes, do you love your family and friends? If you love your family and friends, you must stay safe for them and for you especially. To stay safe for everyone you love.
Wash your hands regularly.
Practice social distancing.
Yes, eat lots of fruits. Do lots of exercises. Rest well. Revise your work. Yes, we need you to revise. And stay safe. Remember, at Class Suburb,
We leave no child behind.